Get ready to learn about the best indicator for crypto trading. This crypto trading indicator strategy uses the half trend indicator and the RSI indicator to produce some pretty accurate trading signals. Make sure you watch till the end because I will be showing you how to set up alerts as well to use the strategy so you're not just staring at charts all day waiting for a signal, right? And if you're looking to become a more profitable trader, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified of my future videos about other profitable trading strategies. All right, let's get started. So first, you're going to go to tradingview.com. Tradingview is what I use for all my charting and everything. And when you first get into Tradingview, let me just X out all of this stuff because I'm going to show you exactly how to set up these indicators. All right, so when you first log into Tradingview, this is what you're going to be seeing. All right, this is what your chart's going to look like. So we're going to add two indicators, all right, for this crypto trading. We're going to use two indicators. The first is going to be the half trend. So you're going to go into indicators, type in half trend. All right, this is the one you're going to get, the half trend by Everget. All right, I am not Everget. I have not created this indicator, so just want to give you a heads up. I'm not the creator for this. So if you're going to ask me questions, ask me other questions, not anything about how this, who created this and all of that stuff. So first indicator, we added the half trend indicator. This is what happened. Now the second indicator we're going to do is the RSI, which is the relative strength index. And now we're going to make some changes to both of these indicators because when we're trading crypto, we're going to be changing some of these things to go with this particular strategy. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the half trend, go into the settings right here. And here we're going to go ahead and remove the channels. I don't want to look at the channels. It makes it look a little bit cleaner. And we're going to change the amplitude to 4. Those are the only two changes we're going to make to the half trend indicator. Now, with the RSI, we're going to change a few settings over here as well. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to change the RSI length. Instead of 14, we're going to make it 2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change the upper and the lower bands, right? Because we really don't need the middle band in this one. So the upper band, instead of 70, we're going to change that to 90. And I want a solid line. And then on the lower band, instead of 30, we're going to change that to 10. Okay. I want a solid line here as well. A little bit easier to see. Now that we've set up the charts, right? What do we need to do? Like, how does the strategy work? And number one thing, all right, when it comes to the time frame, I've tried this on many different time frames, and for me, it's worked best on the 15 and 30-minute chart. So we're going to be taking a look at the 15-minute chart. So you can go over here 15 minutes, right? So it works really well on the 15-minute chart. Also works on the 30-minute, but you're going to get fewer signals. And even on the 15-minute, when you're trading crypto, you're still going to be, you're not going to be getting a lot of signals, but these are high quality. Like the trade profitability on this is freaking amazing. So what are the rules? So when you're looking at the rules of the strategy, when you're looking to buy, I'll go over to, right, when to buy, when to sell, right? So when you're looking to get into a buy trade, you want to make sure that the half trend is blue, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to get in when the RSI, the trigger candle is going to be when the RSI closes below 10. So for instance, this would be a good trade to get into because look, the half trend is blue, candle closes below the 10 RSI. And how do you tell if it's below 10 or not? Because it's so close, right? Look at the numbers right here. You see those numbers, right? So when I put my cursor right there, it was at 9.61. That's where it closed. So you're not going to enter immediately. What you're going to do is you're going to put an order to enter right above the high of the trigger candle. All right. So you'd get in right above here on the next candle. And you only get into a trade on the next candle. If the next candle does not go above the trigger candle's high, you do not get in. You just wait for the next spot. Okay. And then you put your stop loss right below the low of the trigger candle as well. So your stop loss is going to be below the trigger candle. Your buy order is going to be above on the next candle. And then your stop and then your take profit will be whenever the RSI crosses the 90 mark. So whenever it's overbought, okay, because we're going to, for overbought and oversold, we're going to use 10 and 90. So you're going to get in for buy positions when it's below 10, and you're going to get out when it gets above 90. All right. So for instance, this would have been an ideal trade, and this happened earlier today. All right. So, and then, so this is basically how it would have been. So RSI is below 10, you place a trade right here. Let's see how well this would have done. Right. So you're going to put your stop loss right below the low of that the trigger candle. You'd get in right around here, right above the high of the trigger candle. And then you wait, and you would get out right over, that's at 88.2, 95.44. So you would have gotten out over here at this candle, right? So this trade would have been about a 1 to 2.5 times risk to reward. So you kind of get the gist of this strategy, right? It's like look for entry positions like that. And again, if you're going to be selling, right, if you're going short on a commodity, like this works great for crypto trading. It's a great indicator for crypto trading, but you can also use it on Forex, stocks, options, whatever it is. Like it works amazing. And then if you're going to go short on something, it's going to be the exact opposite rules, right? You want the half trend to be red. This is not a good example because, you know, it really didn't do anything, and this wouldn't have triggered a trade anyway because the RSI was not above 90, because you're going to go, again, opposite of what the buy rules are, right? So on a sell, you want the half trend to be red. You want the RSI to be above 90. You enter at the low of the trigger candle. You put a stop loss above the trigger candle, and then you take profit when RSI goes below 90. I mean, when it goes below 10, because you're entering when it's above 90, we are going to get out when it's below 10 on a sell when you're going short. So this is basically the strategy. It works amazing. Back test it, try it out. But now I'm going to show you some stuff. I'm going to show you how to set up alerts. So this way you're not staring at your charts all day. But before I get into that, I just ask you, man, please hit the like button for this video and drop me a comment about your favorite crypto to trade or any commodities that you guys trade. And also just to say hi. It really helps out the channel when you comment and you like. So I'd really appreciate that. And you can also join my free Telegram channel where I share some of the trades that I get into, like these trades on Tesla and ChargePoint that I posted just a few days ago, and they're both like killing it. So yeah, links in the description below, and it's completely free to join. So yeah, check out my Telegram channel. But now let me show you how to set up these alerts, right? So on the RSI, you're going to set up the alerts on the RSI because this tends to be a little bit more easier than setting up alerts on the half trend. So on the RSI, you're going to go over here, click on the three dots, click add alert on RSI. And then over here, you're going to set up these alerts twice. So the first thing you're going to do is once per bar, okay, or once per bar close, right? And then on the first one, you're going to do 10, 10.00, and then you're going to click create. Then you do this again, add alert, once per bar close, and you're going to put it at 90.00 and then click create. So now every time the RSI crosses over and closes above 90 or below 10, you're going to get an alert from TradingView. All right. You can set this up for each of the different cryptos that you like to trade. And this way, once you get an alert, you can quickly see, and let me go ahead and delete this. You can quickly see if the trend, if the half trend is blue or red, or which direction you want to get your trade in at. So yeah, this is one of the best crypto trading indicators that I've found that's super effective. I think with the back testing and everything that I did, it was about 85% accurate, which is amazing. So yeah, check it out, see what you guys think, and drop me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos about profitable trading strategies and also my trade analysis. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel as well. I'll see you on the next one.